Welcome to A Piece of CX. This week we are taking a look at RingCentral AIR. Now we had this turned on earlier in the week, and despite the child in me wanting to play with this instantly, I was like, I'm outside a Starbucks in the middle of Glasgow, and actually it's a bit more fun if we unbox this as part of a video and walk through what we see as we see it. Now, RingCentral's AIR product has been out for a little while. The first generation of AIR is essentially an AI receptionist that sits in front of your business and answers questions and reaches you to the right people. And the team at RingCentral are very happy with it. RingCentral AIR has over 11,000 paying customers based on the last quarter statements from RingCentral. And AIR Pro is due to come to market at a future date, which will provide agentic capabilities on top of what we're going to see here today. So we now have this button here for AI Receptionist, and that takes us straight into AIR Studio and the ability to create our first AI Receptionist. So we've got a Google listing or a company website. I'm just going to place the Holt CX website into here. I'm going to say I want English, UK, and away it goes. So I could have used my Google business profile for that as well. Although if you've got a website, realistically, that's going to work quite nicely. Now, one of the things we do actually see quite a lot when we're building out virtual agents is that your website is only as good as how it's been built. If you've got unpublished pages, you've got published but non-public pages lying around for, say, COVID information or Christmas 2023, then your AI receptionist will find them. So have a good look at your sources of knowledge when you're doing things here. I am going to call this Holty, and we'll go with Leon. And if we play that,
Hi, I'm your AI receptionist. I'm here to assist with all your calls.
Sounds nothing like me, but it will do. If I click next, then we have the company description. It's taken this off of the website. I'm going to add a bit here. So I am Holty. Click next. So here we've got locations and we've got business hours. We will actually go and update that later on. And then we've got FAQs. So what information do we collect? Do we use? That will all come from the cookies, I'm guessing. Lots of different things here. And click next. Allow transfer by name. So we're going to place a test call in now.
Hello, thanks for calling Holt CX Consultancy. I am Holty, your AI receptionist. This call is being recorded. How can I help you?
What types of consultancy does Holt CX provide?
All right, let me see what I can find about our consultancy services. Holt CX provides customer experience and employee experience consultancy, including contact center optimization, technology migration, CX practice empowerment, and vendor upskilling.
And are you based in the UK?
All right, let me see what I can find about our UK location for you. Yes, Holt CX Consultancy is UK based.
And what does Holt CX specialize in?
Okay, let me check what Wholesale X specializes in for you. I don't have any information about Wholesale X or what they specialize in. Is there anything I can help with regarding Holt CX Consultancy?
Who's going to win the Cricket World Cup?
I can't predict sports results, but I can help with questions about...
So what we saw there with our call was it ran through a few things. Now, one of the things I picked up straight away was every time it answered, it said, all right, let me see what I can find. I'm not overly happy with that. I might change the voice. I might see if I can give it some guidance. But to start with, it's taking in information from a website and it's going with it. So if I click go live, then away it goes. It's got our main company number. We can set all of our rule details and we can connect it to something if we want to. So we click route, then it's connected. If I go to all numbers, so actually rather than auto receptionist, I select Holty as the extension and away it goes. And then that will be up and running. So if I now go and have a look at that, I can see that it's set up. I can say that I want that. Save. We can now see it's connected. We can go and have a look at some of the settings. So let's have a look at the settings. You can see where it goes to, who it's going to go to. Automatic call recording. If I have a look at my voice, I can choose one of these other ones if I want to. Let's see what else I need to do here. Company info, I can update. Skills. So it's got some skills and a library of skills. So a few out the box that I can utilize, and some here as well for sending text messages, appointment bookings. We can see the calls when they took place. And we've got everything that's going on here. What I don't have is the ability to see the logic behind it. But again, still pretty solid, to be fair. I look at integrations. I don't have any, but there are some out of the box that I can utilize. So I could chuck this into a HubSpot instance or, again, Outlook calendar. Analytics, it's going to see what it resolved, what it didn't resolve, what the transfer rates are, all of that kind of good stuff. Tempting to use. So we've got 100 minutes that we can utilize here. Then I can buy minutes on top of that. There was actually a question I saw on Reddit recently of if you're using this and after a minute it's then transferred to a human and that conversation carries on for 15 minutes, is that 16 minutes of air usage? And the answer is no. You're only paying for what is within your setup here. Now, what's interesting is when I was making these test calls, it still is counting against my minute count there. We can see resolved with knowledge, resolved by transfers, and the unresolved questions there. So we could really start to get into this and understand what's going on. We don't really have any insights yet, and we haven't got any lead capture in there. But if we go back to our Holt location of business hours, there we go. So I have to go into my company. There we go. Tick that off. And in fact, if I go in here, I can add, still know the postcode for the place I first worked in London many years ago. There we go. So we've got everything, nearly everything that we want to add there. We get rid of that. We can get rid of the old one. And now that's in use. So when we go back, we now know that's going to be open at certain times. So we've got send text message using the caller ID, company greetings, transfer by name, frequently asked questions, and we can start to build in this knowledge as well. So lots that we can start to do here just out the box with AIR that makes it really, really interesting. RingCentral is seeing a lot of success with the AIR product and with AIR Pro coming in the future to turn what is this into agentic capabilities and the ability to transact. That's going to be really interesting. Thank you for joining me on this unboxing of RingCentral AIR on a piece of CX. If you like what you saw here, get in touch via YouTube with a comment or via LinkedIn. Thank you very much for joining us.